Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Santa's Workshop. My name is Mike. I have been a professional Santa for over 15 years. I've had my hands in just about everything you can imagine, from automotive, paint and body, upholstery, woodworking, custom jewelry. You name it, I've probably done it. I would like to welcome you to this journey on YouTube. I've decided to share my projects with everybody out there, and I hope you like and subscribe. Well, I've got a car that I'm going to be working on first. It's called the Midnight Express. My sister bought this car brand new back in 1998, and after giving it to her son and it falling into disrepair, it's set for 5 years, they finally just gave it to me and said, do what I want with it. So what I'm doing is I'm building a little show car. I've already done quite a bit of work on it, and I've got pictures documenting that. And if anybody has any questions or comments about it or want to know how I did something, please just drop a comment and I will do my best to describe it. So without further ado, the Midnight Express. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and slideshow. Upcoming things on this car, I've got some aftermarket parts I'm putting on my next couple of videos. I'll be introducing you to my next project here in a week or so. Of course, I'm going to be doing a paint job on it. Performance upgrades coming later in the year. Hope you're going to be around for that because you'll really like that. Going to do some car show walk-arounds. I'm going to be taking it to the car show as it is, see what people think. There's quite a few things that I want to put on this channel. Thank you for joining me on this, and please like and subscribe. Help me build this channel. I think I've got a lot to offer everybody, and please comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how I can improve. I can't grow until you tell me what I can do. But I hope to see y'all next week. Thank you.